third week of August, and the lesson is on the checkerboard, and it's lesson 1. We're going to write down a problem. 321 times 57. 321 has 1 unit, 2 tens, and 3 hundredths. And this is called the multiplicand, and the multiplicand lies in the sand. It doesn't do anything. Now we're going to write down the number below. 57 has 7 units and 5 tens. And that is called the multiplier. It's the worker. Put a times sign by it. We say that that's its tools. Workers need tools, okay? That's how you know that one's the worker, multiplier. Okay. Now make a line, and then count down 2 spaces. 1, 2, and make another line, and a third line. And why we do that is because we're going to get 2 partial products. This partial product is going to be from these units. This partial product is going to be from the tens, and then we'll put them together to make a final product. Last of all, could you write MT in a bubble? And that is our problem number. This material is called the checkerboard. We're going to make the multiplicand with white tiles because it's clean as a whistle. And that's because it doesn't do anything. It just sits around. We need a white tile with a green one, green for units. And we're going to make it lie down because it doesn't do anything. It just lies around. We need a white tile with a blue 2 because those are tens. And tens are blue. And it lies down next to the units. And then we need a white tile with what color for the 3? Who knows the color for hundreds? Red. So we're going to get a white tile with a red 3. It's time to make the multiplier. The multiplier has to stand up because you can't do work if you're lying down. So he's going to go over here, and we need a gray tile because the multiplier gets sweaty from doing all that work. He or she is grimy. We need a gray tile with a green 7 because it's units, standing up, and then we need a gray tile with, do you guys remember the color for tens?
2.
What? Yes, it's 5 tens and blue. Blue. Is that what you meant to say, Gideon? Because it rhymes, huh? There. Now, when we have 2 different workers, units and tens, they work in shifts, kind of like miners at the coal mine work in shifts. We're always going to do units first. So this tile gets what? Is he on shift yet? No, only him guy, only this guy. So this gal or guy is going to take a break, and we will have her come on later. This person's going to go first, and it's 7 units. You can either get 7 of these, or you can just get a 7 bar. It's a lot easier to just get this. So I'm just going to put this. Yeah, you can get 7 of these, 7 little units. Go back to your multiplier, 7 2s. So you get your little 2s, 1, 2, 3. You need 7 of them. 4, 5, 6, 7. And now go back to your multiplier, 7 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we made our first partial product, but it's a bit of a mess, so we're going to clean it up. This is already fine, but this needs cleaned up. What do we have in the tens? Let's find out. 2, 4, you guys can count with me, 6, 8, good, 10, 12, 14. I need to make 14 tens. 14 has 4 units of tens and 1 10 of tens. Where does the 10 of tens go, Xavier? Yeah, 14 has 4 units of tens, right? But then it has 1/10 of tens. Where's that going to go? That's too far over. A 10 of tens is the same as what? What is it? 100. So where's this guy going to go? There, right. This is, so can you guys see 14? 4 units and 1/10 of tens. 14, right? Now we're going to clean this up. This is a big mess. Do you guys know your threes? Okay, go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and one more. 21 plus 1. 22, right? So we have to make 22 hundreds. 22 has 2 units of hundreds and 2 tens of hundreds. Where are those going to go? What's a 10 of hundreds? A 10 of hundreds? Xavier, what's a 10 of hundreds? A 1,000. So there's 22, right? 2 units of hundreds and 2 tens of hundreds. We can write this down for our first partial product. Ready? Units. 7. Time to write it down. Tens. 4. Hundreds. 2. Thousands. 2. You can put a comma between your hundreds and your thousands. In 5 more minutes, yeah. Once you record this, do you need this stuff? Once you've recorded it, do you need that stuff? No. We can get rid of it, okay? This guy's done with his shift. He gets to take a break, and she's going to come on. Okay, it's her turn. Ready? 5 ones. You can get 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What else could you do? You could just get a 5 bar. Since I got those, I'm just going to leave them there. Go back to your multiplier. 5 twos. You guys are going to be doing this tomorrow, so focus, okay? 5 twos. And that it's tens times tens, which is going to give us what? What are these? What?
20.
No, tens times tens. Yes, hundreds. That's 10 plus 10. 10 times 10 is going to give us hundreds. So, ready? You are. 5 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos. Okay, back to your multiplier. 5. They are hundreds, but what? How many? 3. 5 300s. Tens times hundreds is going to give us thousands. Good, Xavier. 5 threes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 threes. And stop. We did what it said, but it's a big mess. So we're going to slide it down to the bottom. That's going to help us to see that we don't have any units. And now we have to clean it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What could I exchange these for? Yes, Gideon. I need a 5 bar. Okay, now help me with this, guys. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, I could put this there, but am I supposed to? No, I'm not supposed to use these. These are for a different thing. So I could put 2 5s there. I need, yes, I need to, this is a 10 of hundreds. Guess what it's the same as? 1,000. So I want you guys to visualize a 0 here and a 1 here. 10, right? Get it? Basically what I just did was the same as putting that there. There's that. There's a 0 and a 1. Do you see that? Okay. So when you have 10 hundreds, you simply put a unit in the thousands because you're not supposed to use these. Last of all, we're going to clean up the thousands. So count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, plus 1, 16. Good. So to make thousands, I'm going to use a 6 for the units of thousands, and then 16 has a 10, right? 16 has 6 units and 1 10. My 1/10 of thousands is going to go where? There. Good. There we go. All right. Let's write it down. How many units? 0. How many tens? 5. Hundreds? 0 again. Thousands? 6. 10,000s? Whoa. We're getting some big numbers, aren't we? Don't you wish this was money? That'd be fun. All right, let's go ahead and add our partial products. Did everybody get time to write it all down? Yeah. Okay. Units first. Would someone like to walk us through this? Gage, you ready? Xavier said me. I'm going to go with him. Okay, Xavier, units first. 7 makes 7 plus 0 makes 7. Okay, good. Did you want to keep going? Okay, do the tens.
4 plus 5 is 9.
Good. Hundreds.
2.
Good. You could just keep going if you want. Thousands.
2 plus 6. 6 is 8.
Good, Xavier. And 10,000s.
Nothing plus 1
is good. And you guys go ahead and make a comma. Right here, look, go units, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands. So you want to put a comma between those hundreds and the thousands, okay? If this was money, yeah, you could buy a very nice car, couldn't you?
I don't know. I could buy. There's actually a car that is just kind of cool.
Ooh, that'd be so cool. Yeah, you could.
I could buy the school.
We're going to finish up by reading this together. Ready? Say it with me. 321 times 57 makes, and you're going to go to the bottom, 18,297.